All right, this time if we screw up, I'm just going to keep it and then keep going. All right, BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO ni Janishanabe Dug. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and today I will tell the story of Ni Mashomis, my grandfather, and why I get up so early in the morning. So yeah, I'm a really early riser. I like to get up really early. You ever see those movies where the guy's waking up in the morning and the sunlight's coming into the bedroom and he's squinting and yawning and stretching? I got no idea what that's like because when I get up, the sun's not even up yet. It's like the middle of the night. And the reason I'm that way, Nima Shelmus, my grandpa, he was a fisherman, and his father was a fisherman, and his father's father was a fisherman, and all the way back. And fishermen like to get up early. The elders would tell us that you got to get up early if you want to catch fish, because fish like to eat breakfast first thing in the morning. They say it's the most important meal of the day. And fish are smart because you can always find them in schools, eh? So anyway, there was this one day I was up there having coffee with my grandpa. I mean, he was having coffee. And then he would make me a cup of milk and put a little bit of coffee and sugar in there. But I felt like I was having coffee with my grandpa. And he was filling up this hummingbird feeder, this feeder for the mamengwa. And he goes, I can speak to the birds. I was like, oh, get out of here, Grandpa. You and your stories. He goes, no, it's true. I can talk to them, and I can even tell them what to do. They do exactly what I say. I'm like, get out of here. He goes, no, watch this. And he took that hummingbird feeder and he brought it outside and he hung it up. And he turns and he goes, come and eat, hummingbird. And just then a hummingbird comes flying around the corner of the house. And he looks at my grandpa, and then he goes right into the hummingbird feeder and he starts to eat. Oh, I was just impressed. It's like, oh, that old man's right. The birds do just what he said. And then later on, I was a little less impressed when I saw him do the same thing with the dog. It was like, come on, puppy. And just opening the bag of dog food, the dog came running. He knew what it was about. Anyway, so that is the story of Nima Shomas, my grandfather, and Mamengwa, the hummingbird. So my grandpa, he became a spirit back in 1996. Back in the good old days, eh? And, in our way, we talk about our elders when they start their journey and when they complete their journey, they go to the land of everlasting happiness, where they live as spirits, as Manaduk. And so our Ojibwe word of the day, Gakige Minawani, Gozi Gawinning, the land of everlasting happiness. Gakige Minawani, Gozi Gawinning. And, for those of you who are watching this and who know me personally, you probably understand why I'm talking about this. So this is a song. All right, take two, we can cut that out. Gagige Menawani, Gozi Gawinning, the land of everlasting happiness. If you watch a movie about Indians, they always say, oh, he went to the happy hunting grounds. I never understood that. The happy hunting grounds was what we thought heaven would be like. What if it's really good hunting? Is that like hell for the deer? Anyway, Gagige Menawani Gozi Gawinning, the land of everlasting happiness. So, if you have an ancestor or a grandparent who became a spirit, don't cry too long. Just know they're in the land of everlasting happiness. All right, well, I want to thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this song is for Oni.
and phases are something we all go through. And memories are what keep us going strong.